Hi, my name is Jed, and for today's Think Aloud, I am going to be doing a video tutorial on how to do the improved version of my power calculator that I did from one of my previous tutorial things. But yeah, so from the point of where you have what the previous build was, basically all I did was reorganized what we already had, which would be all of this right here. I reorganized all of that, added a clear button, which I put to the same size as all of these other buttons that we already had, and I named it, um, sorry, I named it Clear BTN. And then the only other thing I did was I added the main, whoops, the main point of the entire tutorial, the main improvement, which is the type of gear needed to advanced box. And I called this box the output. And I changed the box that you previously was the output, and I changed it to power rating LBL, which you'll have to go back and change this, which used to say output.txt, change that to power rating LBL. But other than that, with the code itself, the way we are going to do the type of gear needed to advance is basically in the game. When you get to a certain level, you need a certain kind of gear to go any higher than that. So what it does is it takes your power rating and it says if it's less than 1500, then you can get, it puts an output text that you need rare, legendary, exotic gear will level you up. Then I did 2 enters, and then I tell you where you can find the gear, which for this one you can find this gear by doing any activity in the game. Then next, if your power rating is greater than or equal to 1500, then you can only level up by getting pinnacle or exotic gear, which is the highest level of gear in the game. And then 2 enters, and I tell you where to find that, which is raids, nightfalls, crucible, and dungeons. So, and then anything in between that, you can only level up by getting powerful gear, pinnacle gear, or exotics, which it kind of includes the same scope. And then it tells you where to get that as well after doing 2 enters. That's the basis of the whole piece of that, and all of that will appear in this text box right here. Next would just be the clear button, which I take all of these text box, set them to clear, and then it focuses back onto this right there. But yeah, let me go ahead and start it and show you guys. So if I go into here, we'll just do a helmet power of 1514, and I'll just copy, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, and we'll do an artifact power of 5. So our guardian power rating should be 1519, which it is, and that's below 1520, but it's above 1500. So I can level, it should say you can level up with powerful gear, pinnacle gear, exotics, and which is that middle ground, and it tells you all of the ways that you can get that gear. But yeah, that's the basics of it. It's pretty easy, and yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you had fun building this.